So students, now you had take a break. Let's get started from where we had stopped. So in the last video I told you about number. That means singular and plural. How to convert a singular into plurals. क्या rules होते हैं जब हम एक singular को plural में convert करते हैं. Next we are going to read about countable and uncountable nouns. It's a very easy topic as everything that you can count. They are your countable nouns and that you can't count, that you can only measure or weight, that is your uncountable nouns. जो भी चीज आप count कर सकते हो, जैसे अब आप देखोगे eggs, you can count them. Banana, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4 banana like this. Olive, you can count them. So they are the countable nouns. But milk, you can't count it. You can only measure, okay, 1 liter or 1 kg. Same as sugar. You can't count it. You just can't count the crystal of sugars. What you have to do? You have to just weight it by 1 kg and so on. So these are the difference between countable and uncountable nouns. Now, what is going to be next? After countable and uncountable nouns, our next topic is gender. Gender, when you are in first standard, from first standard you are reading this topic, gender, and you can easily identify as there are 4 genders we are going to learn. Number 1 masculine, number 2 feminine, number 3 common, number 4 neuter. So masculine gender बेटा वो होता है that denotes a male, जो male को denote करता है, like boy, brother, father, uncle. So these are the masculine gender. And the feminine gender opposite to masculine that denotes female, जो female को denote करते हैं, like girl, sister, mother, heroine, aunt and so on. Next, the topic we are going to read common noun. So what are the common nouns? Common nouns that denotes either a male or a female. जैसे कि teacher. अब teacher male भी हो सकते हैं, female भी हो सकते हैं. Means sir भी हो सकते हैं और madam भी हो सकती है. Same as doctor. A doctor can be male or a female. A baby can be male or a female. So they are the common that they may be male or female. And the last one, neuter, means it denotes neither male or female. ना तो male है ना ही female है. Like radio, book, tree. Basically इसमें हमारी नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स आती हैं जो ना तो हमारी मेल होती हैं और ना ही होती हैं फीमेल. So our noun topic is completed and I hope you all have understood it well. आप अच्छे से समझ गए होंगे noun topic. Next comes our pronoun. Pronoun topic you have to listen it very carefully. आपको ये बहुत carefully सुनना है, समझना है, and after this I will give you a worksheet of pronouns. You have to do that in your fair notebook. Okay? So let's get started. What is a pronoun? Pronoun is a word that used instead of a noun. Pronoun क्या word होता है? जो हम एक noun की place पे use करते हैं to avoid the repetition of the noun. Noun की repetition, noun को बार बार हमें repeat ना करना पड़े तो हम क्या use करते हैं? Pronoun use करते हैं. कैसे? देखो. Sanjay was returning home from Sanjay's school. Sanjay was very tired because Sanjay's bag was heavy. Sanjay saw an old man lying alone on the ground. Sanjay gave Sanjay's water bottle to that old man. Oh my God. There are lot of too many Sanjays. Every time we have to repeat the noun. जो भी हमारा noun है हम बार बार repeat कर रहे हैं. But when we write it with the help of pronoun, now you can see how easy it will become. Sanjay was returning home from his school. He was very tired because his bag was heavy. He saw an old man lying alone on the ground. He gave his water bottle to that old man. So it becomes easy and noun is not get repeated again and again. So this is the function of a pronoun. Next, So, student, this is our last topic of today, that is kinds of pronouns. So, in this we are going to read 8 kinds of pronouns. कितने kinds पढ़ने हैं हमें? 8 kinds. So, listen very carefully. Number 1, personal pronoun. It is used to replace persons, animals or things. Person, animals और things को हम replace करने के लिए we use personal pronoun. और इसमें 3 persons होते हैं. First person यानी कि मैं means जो बात कर रहा है, ठीक है, like I, we, me, our, us. Second person, that is listening, you, yours. And third person, that means we are talking about a person who is not there at the moment. हम किसी और की बात कर रहे हैं जो उस समय हमारे साथ नहीं है, like he, she, they, his, her, theirs. So, this all are your personal pronouns. Number 2, emphatic pronouns. It is used to lay emphasis on a noun or a pronoun. किसी noun या pronoun पे emphasis करने के लिए, उस पे ज़्यादा जोर डालने के लिए हम use करते हैं emphatic pronoun. Like I myself saw him stealing. I myself saw him stealing. So, it's myself. तो ये word जो myself, इसने क्या किया है? What does it do? It give emphasis on this pronoun I. क्या किया है? Myself ने किस पे जोर दिया है? I पे. So that is your emphatic pronoun. Next comes your demonstrative pronoun. It is used to point out the object. जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, उस object को point out करने के लिए हम use करते हैं. Like this, that, these, those. So they are the demonstrative pronouns. Like this book is mine. So I am pointing out about this book. So that is this. That is a demonstrative pronouns. Next, relative pronouns. It is used to join the sentences or clauses. Sentences या clauses को join करने के लिए हम relative pronoun का use करते हैं. That shows relation. Like where is the watch which I gave you? So what does this word which do? इस which ने क्या किया? It joined these two sentences. Where is the watch? And I gave you. So which, इसने क्या किया? इन दोनों sentences को आपस में जोड़ दिया कि वो watch कहाँ है जो मैंने आपको दी थी. Okay, so that is your relative pronoun, which is used to join the sentences. And next 4, interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronoun, they are used to ask questions. As name suggests, it is used to ask questions. Next, indefinite pronouns. It refers to persons or things in a general way. Indefinite, हमें इसमें पता नहीं होता. Somebody is at the door. Anybody can make mistakes. All are missing. So they are your indefinite. जिसके बारे में definite नहीं है, जिनके बारे में हमें नहीं पता. All are missing. We don't know कि all में क्या क्या है. So that is your indefinite pronouns. Next comes your possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns, it shows possession or ownership. किसी चीज का ownership के बारे में बताते हैं. Like this pen is yours. The fault is yours. कि ये पेन किसका है? ये आपका पेन है. Okay. Like this house is mine. तो ये घर किसका है? Mine. मेरा. वो आपका होता है possessive pronouns. And last one, distributive pronouns. It refers to person or things one at a time. जब हम एक समय में किसी एक की बात करते हैं तो हमारा कौन सा होता है? Distributive pronouns. Like any of them can dance. So I'm not talking about everybody. मैं सबको एक साथ नहीं बुला रही हूँ. मैं कह रही हूँ any of them. उनमें से कोई भी एक डांस कर सकता है. ओके, कोई भी डांस कर सकता है. अब डांस करने के लिए तो मैं किसी को भी बोल सकती हूँ. ओके, सो इन दिस वे आई एम रेफरिंग टू वन एट अ टाइम. सो स्टूडेंट्स, this is the video about noun and pronoun. I hope you all have understood it well. So do all the work in good handwriting and stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.